Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you of how to get your sounds to flip a clip clearly. Just FYI, I'm using an iPhone 15 Pro Max, but just in case, you can use any device as well. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is really what I use, but for you guys it might not work, but yeah, I don't even know. So your first step is you want to get a video. I'm gonna just do this one. Okay. You see this button that's glowing? Yeah, you can press that and then scroll down, and then it says save the files, and then you click save. That's where my OST comes in. And then you click plus and then click add audio, and yeah, it might say upgrade to Flip a Clip Plus or watch ad. But if you really want to put the sound in, then yeah, but you don't have upgrade to Flip a Clip Plus, just hope that you won't get a 3-minute ad or something. And I got one. Oh my god. I have to do it like 10,000 times for like leave me alone at this point. Like give me no ads at this point. All of us has already suffered. Oh, I guess I'll speed it up. Still going on? Brody, you should have ended. No, I'm dumb. I could have just clicked this button. I'm dumb. Well played. Okay, and then you clicked files, and then yeah, it says watermark. It sounds clear, right? Yeah, and that's the end of the tutorial.